Let's see how my hair transforms from this into to this beautiful result. Dry hair and flat hair with using this Jellyfish Speed Dry Flat Hair Dryer. It's a two-in-one. It's really unique. It's different than what we normally know about regular hair dryers because it dries and kind of flattens the hair at the same time, so it tames it. It doesn't completely flattens it, but it tames it, which is amazing. High speed air gap dryer, what does that even mean? Let's try it. Using this Jellyfish hair dryer wand that is high speed. I'm super excited to try it together. Okay, so here are the controls in here, and this is where you start it, and this is the speed, and choose the temperature. Also, okay, you want dryer or flat. What I want is dryer and flat. So here I have separated my hair, and I'm grabbing this one and flat. We hold it horizontal. Alright, and roll up your hair, you insert and you go down like this. It dries and flattens the hair at the same time. Wow. This is like super fast. Look at the results. Inside here. And to show you, this is the difference between this and this side. Make sure this gridded side is from the top, and this is held horizontal at all times. Don't hold it like this or like this, always horizontal, and grab your hair and pull down like that. Beautiful result. Dry hair and flat hair. It doesn't completely flattens it, but it tames it.